Good morning to all. I am Rajitha, working as an assistant professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in SNS College of Engineering. Today, we're going to see about professional ethics subject. Let's move on to the subtopic that is professional rights. Professional ethics are a crucial part of maintaining the integrity and truthworthiness of any occupation within the context of professional ethics. Professional rights are the fundamental entitlement and protection that individuals have within their professional roles. These rights are essential to ensuring that professional can perform their duties competently and ethically while maintaining their dignity, autonomy, and well-being. The concept of professional rights intertwines with professional responsibilities and code of conduct, forming a framework that helps professionals navigate complex workplace scenarios. The next is definition of professional rights. Professional rights can be broadly defined as the legal and ethical entitlement granted to professionals within the scope of their duty and responsibility. These rights are designed to ensure that professionals can operate without undue interference or harm while also holding them accountable for their actions. They may have include right related to working condition, intellectual property, privacy, non-discrimination, and freedom of expression, among others. Importantly, professional rights do not exist in isolation. They are deeply connected to the moral, social, and legal obligation that professionals have towards their clients, colleagues, employers, and society at large. The role of professional in protecting rights. Professional ethics, often codified in industry standard and codes of conduct, provide a foundation for understanding and protecting the rights of professionals. These ethical guidelines are designed to establish principles of fairness, accountability, and respect within a given profession by adhering to ethical codes. Professionals ensure that their rights are respected, but also that they do not violate the rights of others. For example, in fields such as law, medicines, and accounting, ethical standards help regulate behavior, ensuring that professionals do not exploit their power or position for personal gains. Professional ethics also outline the balance between personal autonomy and professional duty. A clear understanding of professional rights allows individuals to assert their dignity and autonomy in situations where their work may be undervalued or their personal well-being compromised. For instance, a healthcare worker has the right to refuse to participate in procedures that go against their ethical beliefs, provided it does not harm the patients or violate existing policies. Such protections are essential for promoting a work environment where individuals are empowered to act in accordance with their professional ethics without fear of retribution or unethical practices from employees or clients. And the types of professional ethics is right to fair treatment, uh, right to privacy and confidentiality, right to a safe and healthy work environment, right to fair treatment. One of the most fundamental professional rights is the right to be treated fairly in the workplace. This includes protection against discrimination based on race, gender, sexual orientation, religion, age, or disability. Discriminatory practice are not only unethical but they also violate the rights of professionals, creating hostile and inequitable work environment. Ensuring equal treatment and respect for diversity is a key tenet of professional ethics. Rights to private and confidentiality is often deal with sensitive information, whether related to clients, patients, or business operation. The right to privacy is essential in safeguarding this information, and maintaining confidentiality is one of the key ethical responsibility in many professions. Breaches of privacy or confidentiality can lead to serious legal and ethical consequences. For example, in the medical field, doctors and nurses have a duty to protect patients' privacy, while in the legal professions, lawyers are bound by attorney client privilege. Right to a safe and healthy work environment is also have the right to work in an environment that does not expose them to unnecessary risk or hazard. This includes physical safety such as proper working conditions, but also psychological well-being in professions that deal with high stress situations such as healthcare or law enforcement. The right to a supportive non-toxic work environment is critical to maintaining mental health and job satisfaction. Ethical standard in these fields emphasize the need for employers to provide necessary source training and support to help employees manage stress and avoid burnout. Right to fair compensation is right to fair compensation for their skills, knowledge, and labor is central to both their economy, security, and their self-respect. This right encompasses not only salary but also benefits. Working has job security and opportunities for career advancement. Ethical consideration in this regard include ensuring that professionals are compensated according to their experience, expertise, and contribution, and that wage disparities based on discrimination are avoided. Then a right to professional development and education in many professions continuous learning is essential to maintaining competence. Professionals have the right to access training, education, and other resources that will enable them to keep up with industry developments and improve their skills. This right is reflected in professional ethical standard that empathize the importance of lifelong learning and development to maintain high standard of practice. Then balancing right with responsibility is while professionals have many rights, these rights must be balanced with their professional responsibility. The principles of professionals responsibility often requires individual to put the interest of clients, patients, or the public before their own personal interest. For instance, a lawyer has the right to fair compensation, but they also have a responsibility to provide diligence and ethical representation to their client regardless of the compensation they receive. Similarly, a doctor has the right to work in a safe environment and to refuse procedures that conflict with their personal ethics, but they also have an overriding duty to ensure the health and well-being of the patients. Conclusion. Professional rights play an essential role in shaping the ethical landscape of any professions by ensuring fair treatment, privacy, and protection against exploitation or discrimination. These rights provide professionals with the security and autonomy they need to carry out their duties effectively. However, the exercise of these rights must always be balanced by the recognition of professional responsibility, ethical guidelines, and legal protection work together to create a framework that helps professionals navigate their roles well while respecting both their rights and the rights of others. By upholding professional rights, we not only protect individuals within the profession but also strengthen the trust and credibility that the public places in professional institution. Thank you.